FOMO, it's one of the worst things you could encounter when you're on your trading journey. FOMO, it might happen within your early days, but as long as you catch it early, it won't be a consistent issue. Some of you guys have a problem with staying consistent to your plan. Okay? You should only be playing A plus setups, your A plus setup. Okay? But instead, you guys destroy the plan, start taking F setups because price just is blasting up or straight down, and you think you're about to just make some bread quickly, not knowing that that's not ideally how it's going to work. Okay? So you're destroying your account because of an emotional, impulsive decision. Stop destroying your life because of impulsive, emotional decisions. Let's analyze some things and factors that I recommend we can do to get our emotions a lot better under control and how we can improve. All right, let's recognize and overcome FOMO for better decision making. Okay. So understanding FOMO, a trader's downfall. So FOMO, what does it stand for? FOMO stands for fear of missing out. Okay. So FOMO, legendary term I know you guys hear a lot, whether it being trading or real life, whatever. FOMO, fear of missing out. This doesn't exist. Take this out. God has a plan for everything. Everyone's story is already made. So no such thing as fear of missing out. If someone was in that trade was meant for them. Why are you trying to get in someone else's story when that wasn't even part of your plan? That's someone else's trade. Instead, you get in on a FOMO candle, turn into someone else's liquidity, and then they're definitely going to win because foolish traders like you who didn't plan the trade and have a way different entry, you're the reason why they were able to have that type of volume, and they were the traders on the opposite end of you. Now that you lost, they had take profit. Okay. So because of you having that quick emotional reaction, it's going to lead to you making sad, disgusting, impulsive decisions, which sometimes happens as human beings. This is why we go to God about it. Don't relax, I mean, don't trip, just relax. Definitely relax. Don't trip. That's what I meant. But you got to just realize that FOMO, it's not going to give you what you want. Even if you were to get in the trade and hit a big win off a FOMO candle, right? Say you do it again and you just get wicked back on and you just lose all your profit. That's because you didn't play within a systemized sense. Once you start playing within a irrational sense, even if you make profit or not, my first couple of trades, I think were like $600 profit. Obviously, a couple of trades after that, I let all my contracts go to 0%, not knowing what I was doing. And, it was a day trade, so that's only fine if you have weeks out, but zero DTE, letting your cons go to 0%, most likely your fault. It was definitely my fault. So don't want you guys to go through the same thing. So you guys have to understand that traders sometimes are going to abandon your strategies because of seeing price action blast within a certain direction. And then you guys start planning trades within your brain, like, oh, I'm about to get in. I'm about to make some bread. I'm about to get a Lamborghini. I'm about to go retire my mom. I'm about to go buy a crib. That's the first thing you're thinking when you see volume. That's all you're thinking about is money. You're not thinking about structure. You're not thinking about the discipline. You're not thinking about the congruency. You're not thinking about how playing within a just overall controlled sense is going to give you a lot better grasp on yourself as a human being and within the market. Okay. So, and the more FOMO candles that you guys do this on, say you guys do make some bread on one, once again, you do it on the next one. Boom, you eat a massive wick. And then you get back in, think it's going to push back up, and then it just starts dumping. You're like, oh crap. Next thing you know, you're just in an emotional situation, sad that you lost so much bread, super duper down bad, right? You can go to God about it, don't trip, but still just super down bad because you made an emotional decision, because you made a sad decision. So recognize that this psychological trap is essentially effective trading. Okay. So you guys have to realize when you're feeling FOMO and what you're going to do whenever the feeling is coming over you. All right. Just relax, take a break, take a step back, and analyze things from a different perspective. So Key consequences of FOMO in trading. There's going to be a few. Impulsive decisions often lead to substantial losses and hinder strategic planning. Okay. So that's going to be the major big one. You're just going to lose bread that you didn't really plan on losing. When you guys lose bread and you didn't really plan on losing it, it's a lot different versus when you planned on losing it. When you plan on losing that bread, you're okay with losing the amount that you had planned on losing, and you lose it, you're not really going to trip. If you do trip and you lost, no, if you do trip when you lost the amount of bread that you said you were going to lose, you don't need to be trading right now. You need to go fix your mental. You need to go get with God. You need to go eat clean foods, go work out, build some discipline outside of the charts because you're not ready for trading. Then come back. Okay, go spend some time on demo. Go get your mental right. Stop being depressed, sad, whatever you're being. Go get your mental right. Go get confident and then come back. Okay. Two, a loss of focus can result in missed signals and trading opportunity in the market. So make sure you guys have a trading routine. Get up, pray to God, go work out. Okay. Make sure you guys are making your bed and stuff like that. Make sure you guys are on the market or just check it out before it opens. Okay. Set alerts at your entries and exits. That's going to be a big thing. Alerts. Okay. If you guys are having a job, I understand you guys might work and things like that, like most people do. You know, all of us essentially business owners are not always working. You know, alerts are going to be your best friend. Okay, make sure you guys are setting alerts on your trading view. It's going to help you a lot. I don't care what you guys use. Webull Trading View, a lot of brokers have it. Set alerts when it's time to get out of your trade instead of you just staring at the charts all day. It's not productive unless you're in your learning phase. Okay. So, number three, missed opportunities occur when traders chase trends rather than sticking to your investment strategy. So, if you're a long trader and you're waiting for area of resistance to be broken out of, okay, why are you taking a reversal real quick? Trying to take it down to the support, say it doesn't go all the way down there, and then it breaks the resistance. And next thing you guys know, you're like, boom, you're sad. You're like, why'd I try and take the reversal all the way down here when I could have just took the breakout? And then, you know, you're just sad, poopy pants because you made a bad decision. You. And I've had the same thing. I've made horrible decisions too. And I'm here to tell you guys that I don't want you guys to go through those feelings, those horrible feelings, self-inflicted feelings. Okay. So don't chase trends. Stick to your strategy. All right. The impact of FOMO on traders. Okay. Understanding how fear influences trading choices. So FOMO can lead to hasty trading actions, often resulting in poor decisions and financial losses. Okay. So a recent study indicated that over 60% of traders experience FOMO. That's a lot of people. So your competition, most of your competition are anxiety ridden. They don't really know what they're doing. They're just kind of buying and holding. They don't really have a good grasp on the market. You guys can literally eat the whole world alive just by being resilient, disciplined, and just by pushing through regardless of whatever it's like going on within your brain, because it doesn't really matter, especially if you guys are like struggling with the past. It doesn't really matter. Just push through. It's just Shaitan trying to get in your brain, trying to stop you. You know, just pray to God about it. God, please protect us, and we'll just keep on pushing through. Don't let these emotional triggers destroy all your progress, your family's progress, your future family's progress, because you're trying to run up some bread today. Relax, stay patient, play structured, and watch how the bread will come to you. Let the bread flow to you. Let the setups come to you. Stop rushing things that aren't going to happen quickly. Let it flow, and then things might happen quicker than you might even think. Okay. So, actionable strategies to overcome FOMO. Okay. This horrible disease. One, recommend you guys pray to God. Okay. Praying to God is going to be number one thing you guys are going to need help. Um, but yeah, praying to God is going to be the number one thing that's going to help. It's going to lower your anxiety when you guys just understand that there's something to help you out there, especially if your family doesn't feel you in trading, or you have no friends that trade, and it's just you on this journey. Really talk to God. It's really going to help you. And you can also come for StackMODE.net for mentorship too, if you want to speak to me on my experiences as well too. So recognize triggers, setting goals, and practicing mindfulness. Okay. These three things are going to be very, very crucial. Recognize what's triggering you when the candle is blasting like that. Why do you want to get in instead of sticking to your plan? Are you fiending to get bread? Are you fiending to get rich? Are you fiending to prove a point? Who are you trying to pop it on? Relax. God has his time for you. Take your time and just keep grinding. So practice mindfulness too. Be aware of what you're doing. Be aware of why you're getting in, and be aware of how you're going to be able to structure your exit and entries. And make sure you guys are sticking to your plan every single time. The only thing that should change in trading is your P&L and contract size. Otherwise, be disciplined. Keep doing the same thing. I love you guys. All right. And so FOMO, it can cloud your judgment, lead to impulsive decisions that jeopardize your trading success, and recognizing it is going to be the first step to overcome its destructive and sad influence. I want you guys to get rich. I want you guys to be happy. I want you guys to go travel the world. It's a lot to see. We need bread to do this, though. We need money on. We need money on to take care of our parents, to pay these bills, to clear this debt, to go jump in cars, what we want. All right. We got to just keep going. I love you guys. I don't want you guys to give up. I want you guys to keep going regardless of whatever you've gone through. I want you guys to just understand that God is there to help you at all times. And you guys can always just pray to God whenever you're feeling down bad, feeling sad, feeling tons of anxiety, feeling like trading's not for you. Okay, if you made some bad decisions, relax. Go to God about it. Don't let it crumble you. Some of you guys aren't able to progress in life because you let bad decisions crumble you. It is what it is. And the strongest people don't let those decisions crumble them. You got to take that pain, transfuse it, go to God about it, continue to push forward, and watch how you come out on the other side, inshallah, God wills. I love you guys so much. I want you to achieve all your goals. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Stay prayed to God. StackMode.net for all trading education. Free course, free ebook. You can join my Discord and go ahead and book a mentorship call. Peace.